There are several factors to consider when deciding if a membership model might be right for you, but one of the biggest factors I would take into consideration is how much time you are spending one-on-one with your clients or customers, and ask yourself if that's in alignment for the amount of time you have in your schedule. For example, if you spend a lot of time working one-on-one with clients in strategy sessions and you find yourself answering the same questions over and over or solving the same problems over and over, this might be an indicator that a membership model with some group coaching opportunities might be a good fit for your business. In this case, a membership model would not only help you answer those questions for your customers in a group setting, but it would also help create community and give them a place where they can also learn from other peers about the problems that they are solving in their business. And who doesn't want that? I think this would also be a great opportunity for you because now you're consolidating your time and you're freeing up your schedule, whereas you used to have more one-on-one calls. Now you just have these membership calls that you get to look forward to in your calendar. One of the biggest mistakes that I see clients making with their membership sites is not taking into consideration the type of content or resources that their members want to be consuming. I think sometimes the thought of a membership site gives us a really great place to add all of the content and the courses and the stuff that we've created that we really want to share and have people give people access to. But what ends up happening is there's a misalignment with what we are offering versus what those members actually want to consume. For example, you may view your membership site as a great place for them to access resources and content and a library of courses that they can consume, but they actually get more value out of spending time on calls with you or spending time within the community. So that misalignment can create some friction, especially when people are reevaluating their expenses and wondering if they should stay as an active member or not. A great way to circumvent this problem is to actually survey your members and ask them periodically how they are liking the content that you're creating, how they are consuming that content, and then make adjustments based on those survey findings. Another really big mistake that I see people making with membership sites is completely underestimating the value of their membership site as it relates to the price point that they are selling their membership at. And I've seen this time and time again where typically we feel like the membership price point needs to be around, less than $100 or $97 or something of that nature. And the fact is there are actually thriving, successful membership sites that are charging much, much more for their monthly access. So I think you need to really take into consideration the true value of what it is that you're offering, especially if you are offering group calls or strategy or time directly with you, because that is a huge indicator of value for somebody and can definitely help you charge more for membership access. When you've decided to launch a membership and you're ready to start the planning phase, please don't ask yourself, what components can I add into my membership? Instead, ask yourself, what repetitive challenges do I see coming up over and over again when I'm supporting my clients and customers? And use that as a foundation for what you're actually going to put inside your membership. Answering this question will definitely put you on the right path to providing valuable resources for your members that they will appreciate and actually consume. In terms of tactical planning, be sure to map out your themes, your call schedules, or any kind of content that you are going to need to produce in advance inside a project tracker like Trello or Asana. This will make sure that you stay on track with those things, and you can work in advance to make sure that you have everything you need months in advance, because let's face it, life happens and sometimes things come up and you don't want to be flying by the seat of your pants trying to produce content or trying to get those dates scheduled in your calendar. Once they're in your planner, you'll know exactly what you need to do for the upcoming months, and you can even take advantage of batching and working ahead so you can always stay on your A game with your membership site content. Hands down, my favorite Keap feature to run a successful membership is the campaign builder. There are just so many opportunities to automate parts of the membership process, and I cannot imagine doing it without Keap's campaign builder. We can actually set up everything well in advance, everything from our new member onboarding to the not so fun administrative stuff like failed payment campaigns, and even cancellation campaigns. This just frees up so much time for me and my team, knowing that once we set it and publish it, everything is good to go, and we don't have to manually be doing those tasks that are essentially holding us back from supporting our clients even more.